guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you the latest Louis Vuitton bag collection. I'm going to provide you all the information that you need to know. Yes, from names, prices, product codes, SKU, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptops to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CAs. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lates, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramira52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so this is the part 2 of the sneak peek of the denim collection of LV. So this would be launching March 2026. So I don't have the prices yet, but guys, I love to share this information for you. First, we have the Capucines BB. So this is from the LV denim collection. Material is denim, as we could see here. Colorway is blue denim with cowhide leather trims. It comes with the 3D flower denim embellishment, and of course it would come with detachable chain strap, so you could wear this one as a shoulder bag. Then another Capucines BB. So this time the treatment of the denim, the blue denim, is in like the patchwork detail. As you could see, it kind of looks like jeans. So as you can see, there's this pocket, then there's the vachetta leather trim, then of course the top handle is made of cowhide leather trims, and it would come with detachable strap as well. So next, on the Louis Vuitton denim collection that'll be launching March, we have the Capucines Mini. So this one, guys, is a very special denim Capucines because zooming in, we are going to see that of course the base material is the blue denim, but it is embellished with the Louis Vuitton monogram, and this is made of beads, as you can see. Then of course it would come with detachable leather strap, and the cowhide is made, or color is like ivory. Then guys, we have the Neverfull MM. So again, this one, the material is denim in monogram. Of course, the colorway is in blue. It would come with cowhide leather trim. So I believe this one is like the Never Wolf, if I'm not mistaken with the name. As you can see, you could actually bring this one and carry your fur baby inside. It comes with the dog bone bag charm as well. Then of course, if you're really a huge fan of the denim collection and you love to travel, then this is the perfect travel bag for you. So we have the Horizon size 55. So the main material is in denim monogram. The colorway is blue denim. It would come with cowhide leather trims, as you can see here. So perfect. I love of course the rugged design of this Horizon 55. I feel it would also be hard wearing. Then we have the classic side trunk. So this is still from the denim monogram collection. So colorway is blue denim. So it has the classic side trunk details, as we could see. So the main body is made of denim. It would come with vachetta leather trims with gold hardware. It would come with 2 straps, top handle, and a crossbody. And guys, it comes with a rope bag charm, as you can see. Then we have the very beautiful hobo shoulder bag, still from the denim collection. So same colorway and same material. What I love about this hobo bag, as you can see, the size I believe would be perfect for every day. And then of course it slouches very beautifully. It comes with this chunky chain, just like with the Kuzan. And this one of course is fully detachable, and you could wear this one perfect as a shoulder bag. Next on the collection, guys, so they're really pushing in this all-in BB. So as you can see, so same material. So this is the close-up view. So one side, guys, it would come with the detachable and adjustable vachetta leather strap, and it would come with lock-in keys, and of course it would come like with the rope bag charm. So that is the close-up view of the denim material. Then of course, guys, this all-in BB would come in with the denim pochette as well. Then we have the Monseries cargo backpack, as we could see. So I was surprised with this backpack because what's the difference from the other cargo backpack is it would come with top handle, as you can see. So you could wear this one as a classic backpack. Then of course you could top handle this one, or maybe even carry as a shoulder bag. Then of course, as you can see, it would come with cowhide leather trims with the rope bag charm. This one, guys, order or pre-order right away with their CAs because this is going to be hot and would be sold out right away. So we have the classic key pouch. So this one in a classic monogram. Then of course it would come with gold hardware and it would come with vachetta leather trims as well. So again, reminding everyone, launching March 2026. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, color, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now, guys, to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you, guys! Alright, so the next on the denim collection, guys, this one, guys, this is one of my personal favorite. We have the pochette accessories. So what I love about this one, so this is not like the classic pochette accessories because it comes with two pockets up front, which is very chic, and of course it's very functional as well. So as you can see, this is the close-up view. This is the bigger pocket and it comes with a button pocket, and of course the strap is fully detachable. Super chic and super gorgeous. Then we have the classic denim baggy. So this one is like from the Marc Jacobs era and they're going to bring it back. So main material is the denim in monogram, colorway is blue, comes with cowhide or vachetta leather trims. As you can see, they're also bringing back the koala nose closure. It's in gold tone hardware, and of course I love this design of the LV denim bag. Then of course, guys, more modern LV pieces, we have the Diane bag. So this one, it would come with two straps. So one is a leather strap, so you could wear this one as a crossbody or a shoulder. But if you like to carry this one at evening, it comes with a gold chain strap. So this is a close-up view of the Diane bag. Main material is in the monogram denim, and of course it will come with vachetta leather trims. Next, guys, it would come in the nano size. Super cute. So the main difference, of course, aside from the size rather, so the regular one comes with the chain strap, but this one, it comes with the leather top handle. Then of course it would still come with a longer leather strap, so you could carry this one as a crossbody. Super chic. I love the size. Hopefully it could fit a lot more, not just a really cute teeny tiny bag. Then of course, guys, I couldn't really find the name of this shoulder bag. So guys, if you're familiar, what is the name of this hobo shape or crescent shape bag, please comment down below. Maybe this is the croissant bag, but please, guys, correct me. Comment on the comment section below. So as you can see, now this is the colorway in pink denim, and it would come with detachable shoulder strap. Next on the collection, guys, super beautiful nano speedy. So I'm not really sure if they have released this colorway when they have released this last year. So this is in the pink denim monogram. So as you are going to see, it has the koala nose closure for the pocket. It would come with top handle, which is made of vachetta leather trims, comes with detachable vachetta leather strap as well, and it will come with gold tone hardware. So next on the collection, so as mentioned, they're really pushing for the all-in BB. So this one, what I really love about the all-in BB is it would come just like with the Neverfull with a detachable mini pochette, and that mini pochette would also come or would be made in the same colorway of the denim monogram. So on the side, you are going to see it would come with the rope bag charm. Then, of course, the LV baggy, it would come in this colorway as well. So same material in the denim monogram and the colorway pink denim. It would come with cowhide or vachetta leather trims. And as you are going to notice, it would come with adjustable leather strap. It would come with bag charm, and it would come with gold hardware as well. So next on the denim collection, so we have the Rosalie coin purse. So this one is in the same colorway. So guys, if I have more information about the denim collection, I'll be posting or would be creating a part 3. So hopefully, guys, you have taken screenshots of what you are really liking on the denim collection. Please take note that this would be launching March 2026. Happy shopping! There did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, among the bag selection that I have showcased for today, which ones are your favorite? Kindly comment down below. And if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a credit card emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirafy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!